Hello and welcome to Grade School Quiz Factory. Today we will have a Flags of the World quiz. In this video, I will show you 10 flags of different countries and you have to guess which country they belong to. You will have 10 seconds to think of your answer, and then I will reveal the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's begin! Number 1. Which country's flag has a red maple leaf in the center? The correct answer is letter A, Canada. Number 2. Which country's flag has 3 vertical stripes of green, white, and orange? And the correct answer is letter B, Ireland. Number 3. Which country's flag has a yellow sun with 8 rays and 3 stars? If you answer letter B, you are correct. It's Philippines. Moving on to number 4. Which country's flag has a yellow cross on a blue background? The answer is letter C, Sweden. Number 5. Which country's flag has a red dragon on a white and green field? The correct answer is letter C, Wales. Number 6. Which country's flag has 2 green stars on a black, white, and red tree color? The answer is letter C, Syria. Number 7. Which country's flag has a white crescent and star on a red background? If you answer letter D, you got it right. It's Turkey. Number 8. Which country's flag has a blue and red yin-yang symbol in the center? The correct answer is letter A, South Korea. Moving on to number 9. Which country's flag has a white cross on a red background? The right answer is letter D, Switzerland. And lastly, which country's flag has a blue Star of David on a white background with 2 blue horizontal stripes? The correct answer is letter A, Israel. That's it for our Flags of the World quiz. I hope you had fun and learned something new about the flags of different countries. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Grade School Quiz Factory for more quizzes and trivia. Thank you for watching and see you next time.